Hey everyone, my name is V. Venkat. I am studying 9th concept in Ratnam English Medium High School. And my mother name is V. Lavanya, my father name is V. Bhanachandar. My father is a carpenter and my mother is a homemaker. Yeah, I want to become a doctor. So today my seminar topic is the importance of blood donation. Yeah, you all know about blood. Our body is totally made up of bones and muscles. In that we have some nerves, and in that the blood will flows. And you know about heart, it pumps the blood to hold the body, and blood is in liquid form and it is a red color. I think you all know about blood. And there are two main cells in blood cells. One is white blood cells and red blood cells. White blood cells also known as WBC. So white blood cells, if we get any viral fevers like malaria, typhoid, cholera, then in our body white blood cells will decrease. Then we get sickness and illness, and we're not able to fight against the diseases. So we have to means you have to contain more percent of blood. If any member get accidents like car accident or bus accidents, then they lost so much of blood. Then they will join hospitals, then they ask some same group of bloods, like your blood group is B positive and their blood group is B positive. If they want your blood, for those members your blood, so they ask you, you have more percentage of blood, then they will take your blood. So when this purpose, they take blood, and because of this reason they ask the blood. And the men's want to stable the blood percent is near 16 to 18%, not exactly, it is the just nearby percent. For women's 14 to 16. So if you get more or less in this percent, then you get illness. It is the easy way to conserve, and you have best options to protect your body. So if you get any injuries, like you riding a cycle, then you sudden brake applies, then you fall down, then for your hand or your leg, a small injury happened, then suddenly a small amount of blood drops came out, then you feel the blood is in liquid form, then you will observe that blood. So in this way we have to insert. Then we went to RMP doctors or medical shops, they give like tinctures and some plasters. When you wear on that, then the blood circulates. Blood when we fell down, then the blood will come. That the flowing of blood will stop. Means when you wash in water, means a blood will apply in hand. Means when you get injuries, then the blood will clotted there. Sometimes it will reddish color, like round in shape. After few days it will automatically goes out and your body will be normal. Why? Because we have the power to recreate our skin. So that's why blood is important, and we have to be careful when we are riding bikes or cycles, we are by walk. So 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 you have some protection requirements to that, so you have to do that. So this is about blood donation. And if you have more blood, then you think, I want to give blood for any others. If they have in danger, then automatically you go and give for those. Why? Because the we also, not only us, we have to save others. So that's why we have to donate blood and we have to save others. So please donate blood to all and please be happy. So thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity.